Today we are doing some preparatory work for the Brushstrokes by Roy Lichtenstein in front of the Portland Art Museum. And we are deinstalling it from the concrete platform in preparation for repainting the artwork that will happen later on this summer. In terms of the overall preservation, it's basically like a car and it needs to be repainted every 10 to 15 years. So it's about 15 years and it's about time for it to be repainted. So that's what we're doing. This project came about thanks to the Bank of America Art Conservation Project and the Roy Lichtenstein Foundation. They generously gave us funds to get this conservation project started and moving. The entire sculpture will actually be scaffolded and surrounded by an enclosure in order to be able to do the work in a more protected environment. So we'll be preparing the surface. There will be a contract company coming in, a specialized painting company. They'll prepare the surface, get rid of all of the old paint, prime the surface, and then repaint it. We can't take it into a painting studio because the sculpture is so big. We want to do the work on site. And so they'll be doing all of the painting inside of a scaffolding bubble. So conservation projects like this are really important because all artwork, especially artwork that is kept outside, open to the public, need maintenance and ongoing maintenance. And so they are accessible to the general public. You don't need to come inside of the museum in order to see them. And we preserve them as part of the museum and part of the museum's collection. We preserve them for the general public. We preserve them for all of humankind, and we're preserving them for future generations. So it's really important to take care of them on a regular basis and do these kinds of projects.